AI is not replacing most people, it's revealing them. Revealing who can think without help and who never really could. That sounds harsh. It should. Because artificial intelligence is quietly creating a divide. And most of us don't know which group we actually falls in. This is not about job loss. It's about cognitive erosion. In next few minutes, I'll try to explain how AI is creating this divide, not between humans and machines, but between disciplined thinkers and dependent users. AI does not reward excess. It rewards discipline. Two people might use same tool. One becomes sharper. Other becomes replaceable. So what's the difference? Actually, difference might not be in their technical skills. Difference would be the effort which they are putting in. So every time when you are using AI to draft an email, to write a book, to summarize a report, you are making a trade. You are trading convenience for your mental strain. And the trade feels harmless until it compounds. Now let's make this real. Two creators using AI. First one using AI to completely generate his scripts. Polished, refined, fast. Second one trying to come up with ideas manually. Struggling, then refining, and then challenging his thinking via AI. Whom do you think would be in a better position down the line 5 years? Of course, the one who is trying to augment his capabilities with the help of AI. You see, the tools are same, but trajectories are not. And if you look closely, AI don't equalize talent. It compounds your habits. And habits ultimately build future. Here's what makes it dangerous. AI removes friction, but friction builds depth. Deep thinking generally feels mentally heavy, uncertain, cumbersome, and challenging. On the other hand, AI feels instant, but instant thinking rarely produces original results. If you never wrestle with ideas, you will never build intellectual endurance. And without endurance, you cannot have clarity. In a world filled with AI generated content, clarity becomes rare and rare becomes valuable. Now one important question. If AI disappeared tomorrow, would your thinking stand on its own? Or would you feel exposed? Answer this honestly, because that answer will decide which direction you are heading to. So now, how to stay on the right side of this divide? Let me talk about 3 principles. First, think before you prompt. Force your brain to generate ideas, even if imperfect ones. Second, practice mental difficulty without the help of AI. Write manually, solve manually, sit with complex problems. This will give your brain mental stimulus and keep you sharp. And lastly, practice judgment. You see, AI can generate all the responses, but it will not take its responsibility. It is not aware about its consequences, right? Therefore, practicing judgment becomes very important, because ultimately it will provide you a winning edge, a competitive advantage. Now let me tell you, AI is not your competition. other disciplined humans are. When AI becomes common, independent thinking becomes rare. That divide is already forming. Not loudly, quietly. The only question now remains is which side you are training for. We don't reject technology here, but we refuse to let it weaken us. If you want to stay sharp in a world built for comfort and convenience, stay here. I know comfort scales fast, but discipline, it compounds faster.